quick video on how I use the Predator platform to climb trees. What I like to do first is look for a tree that's about basketball size. From there, I make sure that I have my knee pads from Trophyline. I have them connected to my actual saddle, and then I have my pack. So first thing, walk to the tree. I'll do a quick look around, make sure my bow down, make sure that I'm able to connect, look up, disconnect. So with the Predator platform, similar to a climber, you can put it high as you want to, and you'll have to climb. You can do an athletic move. I try to simplify my moves using the platform to not mess up. So I keep it about shoulder to hip height, especially if I'm fumbling around in the woods or I'm unsure of the size of the tree. Once you're connected, I give a quick move, make sure that I can actually move up and down the tree. The first few moves will probably be tough, but we'll see. Now that I'm seated, good to go. I connect my backpack back together. Connect my bow to my backpack. I have a retractable cord in here, so connect that. Quick look, backpack back together. If you've never used an aider, what you want to make sure is your toe is like in towards the tree, right? To give yourself something to play. Using this system, I try to make sure that I have 3 points of contact, and then I can just step up. Step up a little higher, obviously, because I'm a little taller, but you can use the 3-step aider. I normally choose the second step, make sure that I'm connected to the tree, and go. From here, make sure that I'm connected, good to go. And I will disconnect my bag. Here I have my 30-foot canyon rope. I take the eyelid, move it around the tree, through the bag. One move, and I reconnect. Enough to give myself slack. I put it about eye level, a little higher, make sure that I'm connected. Give it a good pull. Bam. Next, I use all movements. I connect to my saddle. I'll make sure that all movements are using the same hand. So in this case, it's my left hand is my working hand. So the working hand is the one that's going to either pull down or out. And then my left hand will be the hand that will release and give me slack. So demonstration, I'm connected to hunt, right? So next move, I will give myself a little slack. Reach up, about shoulder height, a little higher, still connected, tighten up. Again, working hand, pulling up, slight bend like I'm sitting in a chair, pushing out, toes down on the platform, and then move up. Stand up. Give myself a base. At this point, normally I'll look around, make sure that I still see the same thing I saw when I was on the ground. A lot of times I found that in the tree, my decisions, or I picked the wrong tree. And you can make adjustments. But again, moving it up, tighting together, give myself some slack, working hand, pulling up, slight bend, push out, toes out, pointing to the ground, don't lift up, stand up. And repeat. And during this time, if I was actually hunting, I would look either to my left or right. If I was hunting with somebody, make sure they're good to go and that I'm not making too much noise. Pull up, working hand, move, like seating, pushing out, toes down, and stand up. So from here, give myself a little slack, move up, tighten together, making sure I'm connected. I'll reach into my bag, pouch, making sure that I'm good to go. I will slightly come down and connect to the tree. Just like your normal platform. What I'll do, connect to the eye, to the center post, making sure that reaches around the tree, perfect, and I'll connect. It's connected, once around the tree, making sure you're good to go. Oh, slight pull, one more, and we're good. Next move, go back inside my bag. I'll get my connector strap. Around. Try to keep this shoulder height. A little higher than shoulder height, about eyelid level. Go through connection. Cool. A little pressure. Next item, bow. Pull that up. Depending on what size or side I'm on for this demonstration, I'll choose this side. Cool. Connected. Bag. Connected. Again, similar working hand, only hand that's going to be touching the rope, not make any falls. And that's it. I'm ready to hunt. So demonstration purposes, I line myself up and I can move out from that angle, or I can sidestep and move covering this way or behind me. Or what I've done before is connect and then actually turn, give myself some slack, turn carefully all the way around. So now it gives me something to use my backrest against. That just depends on the patterns, where the deer is coming from, and what you feel comfortable with. Questions you might ask: side pressure. I mean, I have none. I've stood on this thing pretty roughly, and then I keep the knee pads to like help me out and make sure that you know, when I'm leaning against the trees for long periods of time, and if it's going to be a long sit, I'll use backrest as well. But those are the methods I climb. So now that it's dark, or hey, deer's down, I'll turn around, making sure I'm connected. Again, feel pretty safe, no hands, right? Do everything in reverse. Get my bag, put that back on. Get my retractable cord, connect my bow. Way, sit on it, and disconnect, tree strap. Next, I will take this bright green piece of string, and there's many methods you can do. This is just the one I choose to do. Connect my rope. You'll see why in a minute. I'll make sure that I can reach it. So to untangle it, I'll just make sure it hangs low enough. Cool. Enough. What I'll do, like we talked about, my working hand would be left. My right hand will move everything out of the way. My left hand will slowly descend. In reverse, I will sit like I normally would sit, slightly pin down, work my way down, then I will connect from the tree. Open my center pole back up. Go. This to the left. Now my working hand is switched. Now it's going to be my left hand. I'm going to sit back. Go down. This is kind of why I choose the have it low versus chest height. Yes, it. Center post is still up. Connect one still foot or toe within the side of chair. Connecting points. 3. Bam. So, as you see, I'm still connected to the tree. What I'll do is take this rope. I'll give it a pull left, right, left, lean on the bark, left, right, left. Down. In my pack. Side pouch. Side pouch is closed. Off. Connect. Similar movement in reverse. Through the eyelid. Next. Oh. Disconnect that one. Good. Connect that to my bag. Here's over. Oh. That's it. Move out. Hey, the mic dropped, but I just want to let you know, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.